Hi Ashley and everyone at Hatherleigh. I hope you're all well, and I just wanted to say thank you for providing such amazing care to all the elderly people at the care home. As a way of saying thank you, I am going to sing you a song called Salvation, and I just want to share with you a song that that really does mean a lot to me, and I really hope you like it. And if you would like to hear more music, I have an Instagram page where I post a lot of covers, and it's Sirine_music. So yeah, here's Salvation.